Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Zone YouTube channel. Dear friends, in today's topic I'm going to teach you that how to change background to a house. So dear friends, I have four different type of images. The first image is the simple snapshot of the SketchUp file, and the other three images, which is the render image of the SketchUp file by V-Ray. So now if I want to change the background of this images, so first of all I open the Adobe Photoshop from here, and after the opening of the Adobe Photoshop, I will select my file from the file browser. After the selecting of this file, so I selecting this image to change the background. Now dear friends, I will select a background for this image, and dear friend, for the background I will again go to the file browser and select the background for this image. Let's suppose I am selecting this background for this image. So the background is selected. Now I will drag this file to this image. Now dear friend, after the dragging of this image, I have two different layers for this single image, and the other image, which is the background, which is meaningless for us, so I will delete this one. Now dear friend, for this single image I have two different layers. The one is the background and the other is the simple house. So now I will adjust this background for this image. So now dear friend, after the adjusting of this background, if your background is okay, then you can save this. And let's suppose I want to change this upper portion to provide the sky for this image. So I will delete this upper portion from this layer. Now dear friend, the upper portion of this second layer, which is the background, is deleted. Now I want to select the sky portion for this image. I will drag this one, and now I will delete this picture. Now dear friends, as you can see over here, this lower portion of this layer is meaningless for us. So again I am deleting this lower portion for this image. So dear friend, if I am deleting this portion, so just you can see over here the third layer is visible to us. Now dear friends, if your image is okay, if not, so I will try to add some extra background. Again I am using this tree for this image. I will drag this one and select the proper location which is good for this background. So again I am selecting this tree for this image. So I will adjust this one, and after the proper adjusting, if my image is okay, and if not, so I will try to make this one in the best way. So dear friends, after the selecting this place, it will be okay. And again, if I am using some other feature for this background, so I am selecting this simple birds. So now dear friend, after the selecting, I will drag this one and delete the previous image, and then again I will adjust this layer. Okay, so just you can see over here the bird is in the front, so I will change this bird to the other layer. Dear friends, just you can see over here the tree is behind this bird, so I will change this. Okay, now just you can see over here the birds are basically behind to the tree, which is good for us. So dear friends, this is okay. Now I want to save my file from here. Now dear friends, for the save option I have two different choices. The first one is called the file name, and the second one is the format. So I will select the file name and then the format. So after the saving this, I will check this one. So this is okay. So dear friends, this is our today topic, that how to change background for the image. So dear friends, if this video is helpful for you, so please subscribe my channel for more updated video related to civil engineering field. So dear friends, see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.